Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, this is a model of the CSS News. And behind you can see the real thing and its size, okay? She was 158 foot long, 34 foot wide. She displaced about 350 tons of water. She was a big craft for a river. But what I wanted to stop you here was to show you, as we go around, we'll be talking about different parts of the gunboat. And you can see here how it was designed. Everything that you see on here that is gray, that dark gray, that's ironclad. That is 2 layers of 2-inch iron along the sides here and on the casemate. Notice there's no ironclad on the deck of the ship. Her sister ship, the Albemarle, actually had iron on her deck. Iron was very hard to get at that time in large quantities, and there was only 1 or 2 places in the entire South, Treasurer up in Virginia and over by Atlanta, Georgia, that could actually do it, and it was very difficult to get, and that's why they didn't have everything done in iron. Let's start at the bottom. If you look into the bottom of the gunboat, in the very center you can see the steam engines and the coal bin. You can see where they kept all the ammunition and forward and rear for the 2 guns. They kept all the shot down there that went into the guns, and also the 10-pound powder bags, okay? And there was hatches to get up from the bottom up top into the inside that casemate. The casemate is this top part you see, or the top white you see on the real one where they built it on there, and that's actually the gun platform. You had a gun forward and a gun rear. It had 2 6.4-inch Brook guns on there. We'll talk about that later when we go into the model, the casemate. And from here also was the platform for the steerage of the ship, and where the captain and the helmsman would be. Any questions on that so far?